day in my life as a DMMA student. Here, I rode a jeep and it's already 1:30 o'clock in the afternoon. I rode a tricycle again to get to school. I already get off to the tricycle and then enter the campus. And this is my classroom, located at BSMT building. I take a video of this because this is my first time wearing my uniform.
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Of course, you are not a BSMT student if you did not do this. In the right side, her name is Crystal, and in the left side, her name is Setiel. Our instructor is about to enter. This is our NJEC 9 subject and our instructor is discussing quadrantal triangle. Of course, take note the important one.
Dili ang angle, it is the side that is given 90 degrees. Quadrantal ang tawag. Okay. Pamutan mo ta. How do you distinguish a quadrantal triangle? Depende. Kana may 1 sa taas, may tangent sa baba. Ito, tangent B. So in other words, kanino nahon?
Solving a problem in quadrantal triangle. The first subject is already done. The second subject is navigation 1 and we are solving for magnetic variation. This is our last subject, navigation laboratory. Since we are already done in midterm and our instructor is discussing investment.
So it's a term created by, or at least popularized, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, sorry. Rich Dad, Poor Dad kasi doon sa libro, pinakita niya ano yung difference ng dalawang.
Finally, our class is already done. And it's time to go out to the school. My stomach hurts, so I eat opposite at the DMMA College Southern Philippines. After I finish eating, I play chess next to where I was eating. Of course, I won the game. And that's how my life worked as a student in DMMA College Southern Philippines. Thank you for watching.